My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're doing another unboxing. My birthday is coming up. It's on March 22nd, and I thought I would buy myself a little birthday gift. I got the new Fitbit Sense. The current one I'm using, this is the Fitbit Versa. This is actually my dad's old watch, and I've had it since he passed away last year. But this has been a good watch, but I've just been looking to upgrade for a while and not use, the old charge watches, which is what I have been using on practically all my videos in order to keep track of the steps. I thought I would just splurge and I'd get myself something brand new. Not a sponsor. This watch retails, and it was what I bought it for. It was about $220 to $260, I believe, is something like that. So this is one of the more high-end watches that Fitbit does make. It comes with free 6 months of premium trial, and I bought it because it has all the heart healthy features. It's the one on the commercials where you can touch it and it does like an EKG, all those types of things, which I found kind of interesting, and I'll be interested in trying out some of those features. So today we're just going to be doing a little unboxing. So it looks like the bottom part slides out. It's stuck. Huh. Oh, it looks like this plastic thing rips off. Here we are. The plastic rips off, and then that's kind of nice, actually. Nice packaging. So that flips back. Now it looks like it does slide out. Again, this is not a sponsor, right? I'm not sponsored by Fitbit anyway. This is just something that I bought with my own money. And it does look like, let's take a look at what it shows on the box first. It says, on wrist stress tracking with EDA sensor. I'm not too sure what that is. Heart health notifications and ECG app, sleep tracking and sleep score, which I already get with this watch. This is the updated version. Pace and distance with built-in GPS. I'm looking forward to that, especially when hiking. Get call, text, and app notifications. I already get that with this one, but this one's probably updated. And yeah, that's all it says here. It just says up to 6-day battery life, includes small and large sizes, includes 6 months premium trial. So I'm also interested in trying the premium trial. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside and see how they package it. Oh, it's very fancy. Wow, this is nice. Isn't that cool? So it looks like they package it almost like a little book, right? So it slides out and it's got the little Fitbit logo on here. I don't know if you can see that. And then when you open it, it's almost like a little book with the watch kind of presented to you. And then I'm not too sure what these things are. Oh, power and style. So it looks like you get the bands are over here, the style over here. I did get the carbon graphite one. It doesn't say on here either which color I got, but you can tell on the box that I got the carbon graphite. There's also like a women's watch, or a different color, which is the rose gold, I believe is what the name of it is. But I decided to go with the carbon graphite. I feel like I could get the pretty colored bands like these. I really like the lighter color bands. Like the light green and the pinks and whatnot. I think they look prettier. So I'll probably get a different colored band. I know this one just comes with a black one for now, but I'm so excited to try this watch. So let's go ahead and try it out. It looks like the watch just kind of pops out, and there's a little arrow. So it looks like you're supposed to pull the watch out and then pull off the plastic on it, right? So the watch just kind of popped out of the middle there. That's actually very nice. Oh, it's starting up already. Okay. To start, download the Fitbit app, which I already have. Okay, it does tell me, please remove the plastic. It says right on the watch, actually. It's very nice. This seems nice. Very fancy. Oh, and it looks like it has the extra band. So it's got this band on it already, you can see. And then it looks like it comes with this additional band over here. So let's see what else that comes in this box. It looks like on this side, this can be pulled out. I'm not too sure what this is, however. Oh gosh, let's pull this out. So it looks like this is the charging thing, and there's a pull tab back here in order to open it. So we're just going to pull on the tab. Well, that didn't work so well, did it? That did not work well. Well, that's okay. we'll just kind of help it along back here. So I guess we just pull this open, and this is used to charge it. I'm not too sure how exactly. Does it snap to the back, it appears? Yes. So it looks like the back of the Fitbit Sense is magnetized, and this is a charger cable. So you just plug this in into a USB charger, and this just snaps onto the back of the Fitbit Sense, and away you go. And it doesn't look like it's a universal adapter, so it looks like it can fit in any way. Okay, no. So it does look like it only fits one way because of the magnets in the back. The way they're polarized, they line up according with the magnets on this Fitbit charger. So I'm already thinking to myself in the future, when I get a different charger, probably one that it hangs on like what I have for this, I do want to find the right one where it clips in correctly into the charger. So we'll just have to make sure to keep that in mind. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, it already has the band attached, which is very nice. Let's go ahead and undo this. I am so excited to use this, and I can't believe I'm finally unboxing it. Okay, so it looks like the buttons on it are simply touch buttons, like the new iPhone. There's no more physical pressing buttons. So like this one has 3 physical buttons that you press on the side. This one just has touch buttons on the side. So let's see what else it came with. So it comes with the charger, and it does look like on this side, so it looks, the packaging is actually quite nice. Oh, quick start guide. So the quick start guide is behind the charger. And it looks like this does pop out. So download the app, charge to 100, plug in included, sync with the app, and then that's it. And what I liked about Fitbit is that it's so easy to set up. People are like, how come you don't order an Apple Watch, Jillian? And I don't know. I guess I'm just used to Fitbit. I've owned one for a long time, ever since the original Charge, you know, the one where the band was built in. So you'd have to buy a new charge every 6 months because the band would literally disintegrate. That's how long I've had Fitbit. So I don't know. It's got a special place in my heart. And I really like the step counter that comes with it. And the app is so easy to use. So I really like it. So let's pull out this one too. It looks like this is the larger band. Or no, okay. So it looks like it just comes with an extra side band. Okay, this is the larger band actually. So it comes with, so the one that's on the Sense is the smaller band, and then you could see how much longer the large size band is. So I have fairly large wrists actually, which is surprising because I'm a woman, you know, but I'm very interested in seeing if I can fit into the small band. So yeah, it looks like the small band barely fits me on the smallest setting. I like to keep it kind of loose, you know, so, and as you can see, this kind of pops in and then you snap it shut, but it does look like the one that I wanted on barely fits on the smallest setting. So, and I don't know if you can see that there. It's just requesting, it keeps requesting that I download the Fitbit app and sync it and please charge me, basically. So, but anyways, I think I'm going to do a comparison video of my old Fitbit versus the new one. I definitely want to use this while on my long walks, while working out, and I'm very excited to try and use this. So, you know, if you're if you're shopping around in order to get a new watch, be sure to take a look at the Fitbit. I've always liked this brand for the longest time. I know it's like a love-hate relationship for a lot of people, but I like it. It's a personal preference, right? I may end up getting an Apple Watch the next time go around, but for now, I think I'm just gonna stick with the Fitbit Sense for the next couple years. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you wanna see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you wanna follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.